Acupuncture with needles? Basic acupuncture with live ants. Welcome to ancient wellness chaos. Today, we're testing a bizarre therapy where ant stings are used to stimulate healing. Is it painful, genius, or just bug-based nonsense? Disclaimer: this is not medical advice. We're exploring history, not recommending insect warfare. Ant sting therapy dates back centuries in parts of South America and Africa. Some indigenous healers believed ant venom could stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and even treat arthritis. The species use bullet ants, fire ants, or leafcutter ants depending on the region. Fun fact: bullet ants have the most painful sting on Earth, rated a 4.0 on the Schmidt Pain Index. That's one level below stepping on a Lego made of lava. Ant venom contains compounds like histamines, alkaloids, and formic acid. Some of these do trigger immune responses like swelling, redness, and pain. But can that pain be therapeutic? Modern studies on bee venom therapy show potential anti-inflammatory effects. Ant venom: less studied, more speculative. Our doctor says there's no clinical evidence that ant stings cure anything, but the body's reaction might mimic acupuncture's effects briefly. Translation: it hurts, and your brain gets confused. I found a safe, controlled way to simulate ant sting acupuncture. No bugs harmed. Using a lab-grade formic acid patch, I applied it to pressure points on my arm and leg. Result: tingling sensation. Yes. Redness? Yes. Enlightenment? Not so much. Pain level: 6 out of 10. Relaxation level: 2 out of 10. I felt more like I was being punished by nature than healed by it. Let's be clear, this practice has deep cultural roots. In some tribes, ant stings are part of coming-of-age rituals or spiritual cleansing, not casual wellness hacks. We're not mocking tradition. We're exploring it with curiosity and respect. But for modern use, risks include allergic reactions, infections, and the very real possibility of screaming in public. Our doctor's advice: if you want acupuncture, stick to sterile needles, not angry insects. So, is ant sting acupuncture painful or genius? Painful, absolutely. Genius, maybe, if you're an ant. For most of us, it's a fascinating glimpse into ancient healing, but not something to DIY. The weirdness is real, the wellness still up for debate. Want more strange but true health rituals? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.